Welcome po sa City of Calapan. Welcome po sa Mahalta Resorts and Convention Center. Ako po ay galak na galak at kayo po lahat ay nandito. Ang ating pong gagawin ngayon ay isa pong step, sa mga main step na ginawa na po ng opisina, ng mga partners po natin from Blue Alliance, Fishery Management Office at saka ng City Government. Na kung saan gusto po natin na buksan ang Calapan as another dive destination dito po sa region.
Yeah, welcome to Mahalta Resorts and Convention Center. Today, we're happy to be part of this Go Dive Calapan. We're very excited about this. We have been considering this and thinking about this because, you know, from here you can see the beautiful islands, and this is where you can actually appreciate the wonders of the underground treasures of Calapan City.
I am welcoming you all, and we're doing it here, and our project will be the removal of the ghost name. Kumbaga, prior to the opening, kailangan nating linisin muna. So, tamang-tama, pag nilinis natin yung reef, nakahinga yung mga corals, and then that's the time we're going to open the Calapan City for all the divers in the whole world.
Nakakatuwa kasi ang ganda ng pictures. Ano, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita kung ano ang nasa ilalim ng dagat ng Calapan. Ganito po kaganda.
Ipapasalamat po ang City Government sa lahat po ng effort na inyong sineshare para po dito sa endeavor na ito.